Hi everyone, welcome to Single Value. So today we're looking at Humacyte and they finally got approval. Like, this is amazing stuff. We waited so long, we didn't lose faith, and we really stuck in, and I think in the longer term we're gonna do really well. Like right now the share price is not really reacting as strongly as we thought it would. Like, it's at $4.59 after, the share price having crashed to $3.46. Okay, pre-market, I think it's still at the beginning, obviously, and once the market opens, I think we see something more serious, because $4.71, like, it was there before even approval. So right now, anyone buying at these prices is getting a steal. So anyone buying pre-market, just load up the boat to hit this price, because once these guys start getting out there and selling this stuff, I guarantee you the share price is not going to be here once they get the sales team on the road. And as they say, highly experienced sales team already recruited and trained in preparation for commercial launch. So commercial launch shouldn't be too far away, and yeah, exciting stuff. So next year I think the stock has just so much room to run, because that's when they're going to get sales on the board and get everything going. So basically, as it says, it's a first-in-class bioengineered human tissue designed to be universally implementable vascular conduit for use in arterial replacement and repair. Basically, if you've been following the videos and the stock, you know what it does. And it's pretty important stuff. It is quite new to the field, which is sort of what made it, not necessarily, like, it's sort of like prolonged things, because FDA was like, this is so new, we need a lot of time, and they finally got through, and now they're approving it. So this is great news for the products down the line as well, because they've already accepted this one, and the rest is kind of like a kind of something that branches off this product, because it's the same product but for different uses. As long as they can prove for those other uses that's also very useful, then they have a strong chance of approval as well. So hence why next year is also going to be amazing, because they're going to have these sales going around, and also they're going to have an application to the FDA for another approval, which will be pretty good as well. So exciting year next year. If this part isn't exciting enough, obviously we've been waiting ages. I look at the share price and it's gone up 35%. I should feel really happy, but then I'm like, 35%? Are you kidding me? Like, we were here, like, the stock was at $8 prior to like a review, but now that I've got approval and the stock is at $4, okay, it's gone up. So we see some reaction. It's nice to see some reaction. So anyone that's looking at the stock early, great opportunity right now. Obviously, when I post a video, it could be slightly even higher, but even then, like, anything below $6 or even $8, it's a steal, because this company is so minimally valued for the product. Like, to get this product to the market, FDA approved, that's $1 billion status minimum, So yeah, like, what does CEO have to say? We are very excited and proud to provide patients suffering from arterial injury with a novel treatment option. Symvess has been made possible by our innovative bioengineering science, along with the contributions of many patients, healthcare providers, and Humacyte team members. So yeah, like, I don't know, like, there's not a lot that they'd really need to say. Like, approval is approval, everything's good. Like, I mean, they give us a timeline, but obviously it takes a month or two for these things to really get ramped up, and also we're heading into the festive period where there's going to be holidays. So I think the management team probably won't take as much of a break off. They'll be excited to just get things on the road, and I think probably come January, February, they're going to have some announcements around their sales team getting on the road. Even better would be a Department of Defense announcement that they would be interested in buying. I think there's a lot that's gonna be very amazing about this. Yeah, so what? Yeah, like they've taken quotes basically from their prior reviews. So here's a quote from Charles J. Fox. The approval of vascular conduit that resists infection and remodels into native arteries is an extraordinary technological advancement that will have a huge impact on the quality of trauma care around the world. And here's one of the probably the best quotes that we all love to hear. I believe that Symvess will revolutionize vascular trauma care and be profoundly beneficial to our patients. So yeah, like basically it's there. There's a lot to read. I mean, take the time to read it because you might as well just enjoy every word of it, because it's not often you get this milestone where you get approval after waiting so long. Okay, share price is going further up, $4.91. So yeah, I now this is the reaction that I was hoping to see. But even then, come on, like anything below $5, $6, that's just that's bargain territory. Like anyone that recognizes that price as being a bargain territory and goes on to buys it is just, they're in luck, because obviously you can't look at the stock price and go, it's up 43% though. Like, you gotta look at how much down this stock was, and now to see it up them 43%, that's minimum. That's child's play. We need to see it up way more, because it does not fully recognize where this company really is. So market capitalization is 445 million at 346. So if we double 346 and we go, that's close to around $7. So around $7, the stock's around 900 million, which is still shy of the billion. Like it minimum, on a minimum status. Like, this is like a first in class. Like, there is no product even close to what these guys have on the market. So definitely a stock you want to hold for the longer term, because firstly they're going to have sales coming in, they're going to have an application going to the FDA, possibly middle of the year next year or something like that. So yeah, like we hopefully will be on the cusp of one of the companies that's going to change the medical field. So yeah, like don't sell yourself short, particularly having waited so long. Just wait, hold, enjoy the benefits, watch the share price really go crazy. Like, that's my view anyway. Like, you might not see it the same way, but like I think they're in a really good position. Like, it got approved at a really good time. Like, Christmas couldn't have come better, Christmas was very soon. This was possibly be one of the best Christmas presents a stock investor could hope for, and it's finally come. And I thought the FDA might have just gone on holiday. It's awesome that they didn't go on holiday and they managed to approve this. And yeah, like we'll watch where the share price goes over next few days. And then I'll do another video, and then once I've had more time to read stuff and all that. But I saw this approval. Well, first I looked at the stock price, and the stock price is up 30%. And I was like, wow, that's really strange. Has something happened? And something did happen. They got approval, which is awesome. Couldn't be more ecstatic. But yeah, like enjoy this. For everyone that's just been very patient, like you should enjoy this. You deserve it. Share price doesn't reflect it at the moment, but it will. You just have to be patient. Like any investor, always be patient. Don't sell too early. Just make sure you get enough gains. Make sure that if you haven't bought shares, that you still consider it now, because this price right now, like this price $4.86, it was there before approval. So like an approval price is something that is completely different. Something that should be definitely higher than this. If you've got any questions, comments, post below. Until then, good luck investing, everyone.